It will be get OK for you. It is get so status config. Basically, if activity is true and inactive is false, I am passing. And what else? Column, I should grab it for my requirement if you go back here. Right, let me send it. I don't know the. OK. Click it here. So it is not authenticated means the token is expired. What you need to do, go click and send the connection again. Grab the access token again OK. Go to your get user details authorization again. Pass the new token here and now, if you try to send it OK. 200 code means it's OK, means it connected successfully. Now it will load the result for me. What else parameter I require to pass it here OK. So I need see if you do here. The open bracket is there. There will be. Each record is separated by a comma. I can grab the home format. OK. Default respective name, OK, all this information I can grab OK. Basically this information, whatever they are telling sending. OK, I will be mapping with my right saved column. So this is the normal format. Is there, I believe, employee number? It is not coming to us. If I give here employee number, it will be not present. OK, it is blank for us, so simply, you can leave this column. It is not required for us, OK. The last name if I grab the last name, whether it is there for me or not. So last name is there, right? So last name I am storing in custom property 2 of account. Name. Whether name is coming for us OK. See, we got 1, 2 name, first name, last name. OK, name is there right? So name we are putting in custom property 3, same way first name, right? Let me see first name. It is there or not? It is there for us, OK. And department name, is there for us or not? OK, so this is department. Is blank for us, or not? So department is in most of the team. It is blank for us, so don't go for department attribute. Leave it like this location. OK. This record location. I believe it is also blank for us OK. Don't take the location attribute. Email. I believe it will have for everybody. OK, keep it like this manager. Copy the manager attribute and go check whether it is present for us. OK. Manager attribute, leave it. And country, OK, country attribute. Now you have. Country also. Blank for us OK. Leave this country attribute OK. Then go for the phone number, right? Phone number. This is phone OK. Phone is blank for us, OK, so don't take it. Title right. So title also. It is blank for us. Username should be there. OK, username is there. Leave it like that. Keep it like this. Active status should be there, I believe. Active. Is there group? And side. It should be, must be there, okay, for every user. So now, right once you mention all this, your column attribute. Basically, this is your service. Now attribute right side and left side. It is your save and accountable OK information if you scroll down to the top right. So basically all this attribute OK is coming under array. That array name is result, this result attribute. It is keeping all your record, OK, so what you can do, OK. It has asked you the list. Fill name like result, right? So what is the list fill name? Basically, my list fill name. It should be result under result. Right, let me copy this, all this record. OK. Open and OK. Type it everything here, maximize it OK. See the result attribute. This is your array, so result is containing all the attribute, right? So here one record started right, so you see, if you scroll down right. And go down. See. You see the repeated here this record. It is for one user, up to calendar integration. Up to calendar integration. Where is the calendar integration? Up to here. Okay, this is one record, and again from here, right. Another record will be started up to calendar integration. You will see where it is. Here right up to 1. That is one other record. So for each and every record right you receive lot of attribute and all the user details. It is captured under your attribute. That is result. So you must mention your right. What is your list filled? So this is your list filled, so I doubt. Right. I have to mention something like this result last name, because it should be result. Last name because it is coming from your array. After that the variable name. But let's see without that whether it is trying to connect, getting the give me the result or not. Okay, so once you do that okay. So this pagination is nothing but right. It will travel your next URL. You saw, we gave here 100 right. 100 record, first right to travel. For the next 100 record I can give the pagination or I can simply mention the 1000 record here. Okay, I have mentioned already, so I don't require this pagination here, okay. Basically to move page-wise. This concept is required now if I remove back. Okay. So remove this comma as well as. Copy the whole thing. Okay, from here to here. Basically, I am copying my all the account details and go back. Here now paste it. So this is valid. Okay, copy this. Go to your connection. Import account entitlement OK. You have to pass it here. Once you do that, save the connection. So now service, now all this user, what you see here, right, all this user record. It will come back to your save. But while it come back to save right, I should have a security system to store this record right. Otherwise where I will store this account information. This account belongs to your service now. So for service now, I should prepare a connection now, go to account, create a security system, give the same name what I am giving here, OK. As the connection name I am giving here. OK. And in the connection right. You can choose the ServiceNow connection name, what we choose now right.